how to activate visible SIM card step by step. So it's much easier to do this in the app, but of course you have the browser option. But again, you can always do this in the app. So if you want to, just download it in your Play Store or App Store and just go ahead and open the app directly. So once you have purchased a SIM card, you should be able to directly go through the process of activating it. So before anything though, you're gonna make sure your device is compatible for their network. You can allow the notifications for the app if you want, but in my case, I'm not gonna do that for now. But you can directly get started. Signing in will make things easier for you, so you could do that as well. But just go ahead and try getting started for now. So if you want to make sure your device is compatible, just go ahead and press on the bring my phone option and put in your IMEI. So to find your email number in iOS, you can go to the general and then the about. But in Android, just go ahead into your settings over here and in the about phone. And most of the time, your IMEI should be shown over here. But if not, you can go ahead and do the other option, which is to dial asterisk hashtag 06 hashtag, and it will pretty much just show you your IMEI. So just go ahead and do that, asterisk hashtag 06 hashtag, and it's gonna give out the device information. Then just go ahead and copy the IMEI, the one before the slash. There should only be one. Then go back to visible, of course, and then paste in your phone's IMEI number over here and submit. So if your phone is compatible, that's good for you. You can continue the process. So after all the checkboxes are ticked, you can take the SIM card from the KID, remove the SIM card from the card, and then locate the SIM tray on your device. Then pretty much just turn it in. So you can insert your visible SIM card and activate it on the compatible device. Since once all the steps are done perfectly, the Visible app will recognize the SIM card, and after detecting the SIM card, Visible app will show the activate option. Just go ahead and press on activate and restart your device. So after you do that, you can check whether the Visible network works perfectly. But that's pretty much how you can connect or activate your Visible SIM. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.